In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly to improve the readability of your writing. Readability is a key aspect of good writing. It's not just about being grammatically correct. It's about how easily your readers can digest what you've written. When your writing is easy to follow, it becomes more engaging and less tiring for your audience. The concept of readability encompasses several factors. These include the length of your sentences, the complexity of the words you've chosen, the structure of your paragraphs, and the overall clarity of your ideas. Formatting also plays a significant role. In Grammarly's editor, there's a handy readability score that offers a numeric indication of how easy your text is to read. The higher the score, the easier it is for someone to understand your writing. Now let's talk about how you can use Grammarly specifically to enhance readability. First, open your document in Grammarly's editor. This could be on your browser, desktop, or any platform where Grammarly is integrated. The tool offers tailored suggestions based on your writing goals, which you can set according to your intended audience, the tone of your writing, and the domain or field you're addressing. Setting these goals helps Grammarly provide more relevant feedback. Within the editor, you'll notice a section labeled Performance, or something similar. This is where Grammarly provides a breakdown of your text's readability, among other things. One of the first tasks is to review the readability-related suggestions Grammarly offers. These suggestions can be quite insightful. For instance, it can help you shorten long sentences by flagging them if they seem too complex or unwieldy. Long sentences can be difficult to follow, especially in dense texts, so breaking them down can significantly improve understanding. Another area where Grammarly shines is in word choice. The tool often suggests replacing complex words with simpler ones, making your text clearer and more accessible. Additionally, Grammarly can guide you in formatting your writing better. It might suggest breaking up large paragraphs, or even recommend using bullet points when presenting a list of items or ideas, making the content visually digestible and thus more readable. You'll also find that Grammarly identifies unnecessary words or phrases, often referred to as fluff. Removing these makes your writing more concise and gets your point across more effectively. However, while Grammarly offers valuable suggestions, it's important to apply them critically. Maintain your unique voice and the specific purpose of your writing. Don't just accept every suggestion without consideration. Once you're satisfied with the enhancements and improvements to your document, the final step is to export or download your work. By following these steps, you can leverage Grammarly to make your writing not only correct in terms of grammar, but also more engaging and easier for your audience to read. This approach not only fosters better communication, but also leaves a more profound impact on your readers.